Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're jumping right into how you can use Airtable to manage your mobile app development project effectively. First off, you'll want to create a new base in Airtable. This will be your project's home, where you'll keep track of everything. Now that we've done that, let's customize our base to fit our project needs. The beauty of Airtable is its flexibility, allowing you to set up your base exactly how you want it. Next up, add your team members to the base. This helps us because it enables collaboration, making sure everyone is on the same page. You can assign tasks, set deadlines, and keep everyone accountable. Let me explain why this matters. In mobile app development, coordination between team members is key to ensuring a smooth process. Moving on, let's create different tables for each phase of your project. For example, you might have tables for design, development, and testing. This helps us because it allows us to break down the project into manageable chunks and track progress phase by phase. The reason we do this is to avoid getting overwhelmed with the whole project at once. Now, let's populate these tables with records. Each record could be a task, a feature, or a bug that needs fixing. You can add fields to each record to keep track of essential details, like who's assigned to it, its due date, its status, and more. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each detail you add helps you manage your project more effectively. Lastly, you'll want to utilize Airtable's Views feature. This can be a grid, calendar, or Kanban view, depending on what suits your project best. The reason we do this is because it offers different perspectives on your project, helping you visualize your project timeline and progress. And there you have it. Now you know how to use Airtable to manage your mobile app development project. It's quite straightforward once you get the hang of it, and trust us, it's a game changer. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.